Rosh Hashanah, literally the Jewish New Year, takes place in September with a 2-day celebration which includes eating sweet foods such as apples and honey to evoke a sweet new year. Honey cakes, known as la cake, are common treats and are typically dense loaves, sweetened with honey, filled with warm spices such as cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg and frequently soaked in a honey syrup. The cakes are easy to make and can be served for breakfast with coffee, an afternoon snack with tea or as an after-dinner dessert. Canola oil can be substituted for the butter to make a dairy-free version. Either way, these sweet cakes are delicious anytime. Ingredients: cake, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup honey, 1 stick unsalted butter, at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla, zest of 1 orange, glaze, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon milk or cream, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, dash of salt. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cook time, 40 minutes. Total time, 60 minutes. Yield, 8 servings. Preparation: preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Butter a loaf pan and line it with a strip of parchment paper for easy removal. In a large bowl combine the eggs, sugar and honey. Using a stand or hand mixer, beat together until the sugar is dissolved. Add the butter, vanilla, and orange zest and beat until fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients into the wet and mix just until combined. Pour the batter into